If you are elderly, you need lightweight or robot vacuums to get your cleaning done at ease. But which vacuum to choose among endless options in the market? That's why we've dedicated the last 2 weeks to testing and rating top 3 lightweight vacuums that works great in 2024. So without any further ado, let's get started. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. Our number 1 pick is Kenmore DU4080 Featherlight Lift-Up Bagless Upright Vacuum. The Kenmore Featherlight utilizes an 850 watts motor. The suction power was average, but the design made it clean effectively. It can pick up different sizes of debris and can also clean carpets well. This Kenmore vacuum model is named Featherlight for a reason, which is its easy-to-handle weight of just 12 pounds. This is quite light compared to its competitors in market. The weight is distributed well, and the effortless swivel makes your life easier. For an upright vacuum, it is so ergonomic that it can be more convenient to use than some cordless stick vacuums out there. Assembling the vacuum is straightforward and takes only a few minutes. The process involves connecting the handle and tube to the main vacuum body. Following this, the flexible hose effortlessly clicks into place, and your vacuum is ready to use. You can add the accessories that come along to the vacuum so you can carry them easily. As for the build, the vacuum felt sturdy while using it. It is well made, and we had no problems during our testing. Its consumer reviews also don't show any noticeable concerns for its durability. For a corded upright vacuum, it does great for its price. It has a long 25 FT cord, its swivel is good, and it efficiently picks up debris. Its sealed system traps dust and fine debris within the vacuum, ensuring they remain contained rather than being recirculated back into the room. And with Kenmore's lift-up technology, you also have the convenience of detaching the canister from the floor head for effortless above-floor cleaning. It only lags behind in cleaning hair. Hair tends to wrap on its brush roll, so if you own more than one pet, it could be a concern. It is also slightly noisy at 72 decibels, though not bothersome to most. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty. The customer service is also good. Moving on to our number 2 pick, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim is a compact cordless vacuum, more towards the expensive end. It has a 150 watt motor and offers good suction power. It cleaned hard floors and carpets very well. It utilizes anti-tangle brush rolls and gets almost no tangles while picking up pet or human hair. The vacuum has an LCD screen on which you can choose between Eco, Auto, and Boost mode in ascending order of power and descending order of runtime. There is also info regarding estimated runtime left, filters and blockage, if any, on the screen. The vacuum comes along 2 cleaner heads, a laser slim fluffy cleaner head designed for hard surfaces, and a motor bar cleaner head suitable for all surfaces. Additionally, it includes 6 accessories: a hair screw tool, crevice tool, combination tool, wand clip, docking station, and charger for the removable battery. All these accessories make cleaning more convenient. Also, it is very lightweight and easy to move around. The V12 also utilizes HEPA filtration system and laser lighting instead of LED headlights. The laser is certainly more helpful to see dust particles. The vacuum built is solid, and we also did not notice concerns regarding durability in the customer reviews. The attachments are also decently built. The battery life of 60 minutes on Eco mode is really good, knowing it's a stick vacuum. The charging time of 4-5 hours is also fine working with. The accessories make it efficient at cleaning different surfaces. Dyson provides you with a 5-year limited warranty with the V12 Detect Slim. The customer service of Dyson is also responsive. That takes us to our final pick, the Eufy Robovac 11s Max, a quality budget robot vacuum. It has a suction power of 2000 pascals and cleaned hard floors in a single go in our testing. It can operate in 3 power modes: the low, the high, and the boost IC mode. The boost IC mode comes in handy, as it operates the vac at low power on the floor and switches to high power when it senses carpet. The battery life 11's Max offers is 100 mins on low power. It is good enough to clean small apartments, considering it uses random bounce navigation. The vacuum is convenient to use. It comes with a remote and not any application. The remote has all the required features, including scheduling. Plus, it produces very little noise, around 60 decibels. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that the vacuum can get stuck on cords, so give it a clear way so that it gets the cleaning done and returns to the base without a problem. The dustbin size is 600 milliliters, and it uses standard filters. It does not do well in cleaning human hair, as it gets a lot of tangles, but it does fine picking pet hair. The build quality is good, and the finishing is done well. We did not have any problems during our testing. It is efficient in its cleaning and did decent in cleaning carpets too. The Robovac 11's Max comes with a 1-year limited warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. The customer service is decent. So there you have it, top 3 lightweight vacs that are best for elderly in 2024. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like and share. Happy cleaning!